guys, this is MrSithy, and I'm unboxing the Iron Man 2 movie series, Mark 1 armor, of course, from the movie Iron Man 2. So let's get to it. So of course it says launching flamethrower blast. Of course it says it's the first Iron Man armor, so it says number 1. And here's like the other ones I have that I will be unboxing later. Okay, so here's the index cards that shows like the armor and stuff. Of course, it goes step by step. And this is the flamethrower and the missile, which looks really cool. I love the detail and design. And here's the figure, which I love the design because it's the very first Mark 1, and so it looks cool. I love, see, it turns all the way around, and look at the arc. It's like perfect detail, and the arm goes all the way up and turns like fully, and the legs. And here's the stand. And there it is, the Iron Man 2 Mark 1 armor figure. You can get this at any store, Walmart, Target, comic book store.